Are you still designing with Lorem Ipsum and placeholder images while your writing team collaborates on content through email and shared documents? Does it happen that your final text doesn't fit the design or that the image aspect ratio is different? Try EasyContent. Our content collaboration and workflow platform seamlessly integrates with Figma to allow you to use your real content in your Figma designs. So, how does it work? Content, including both text and media, is created and signed off by stakeholders and clients in your EasyContent account. In order to connect your EasyContent account to Figma, first you need to generate an API key in the integration section of your account. Then, in the Figma Marketplace, search for EasyContent and install the plugin. Add your API key and pick the project. Now that your plugin is connected, you will see your content in the plugin. Just replace your generic text and images with the real ones from your content. This will establish a link between your content in your EasyContent account and your Figma design file. Or simply drag the fields right into your Figma design file. Then select the fields or the whole frame and toggle between your pages. The content in your linked Figma fields will match the content in your EasyContent account. You might notice that in some places, either the design or your content will need to be adjusted. Well, better learn it now than notice later on a completed website. Try the EasyContent Figma integration today.